One thing that I find very interesting, and I think you alluded to it right in the beginning, is that you guys also then have the wet lab component of it, right? Like, so you are able to then continually generate more and more data.
Right.
Can you is there something you can tell us about that process? Because that's the thing that feels quite distinct from what you would normally see in like a machine learning powered company, right? Like, how expensive is it? Not just money wise, but just kind of like effort wise. How long does it take to just get like a single protein in? Is this just a massive operation? Are there hundreds of people that have to do this, or is it just like one kind of
So,
chemist pushing along? Like,
yeah,
what's the picture?
no, it's a very good question. And so, I guess to give you an idea, we are 40 people in the company. And I'd say more than half or to three-quarters of the company is really focused on that activity, the wet lab. So given a sequence, generate first the protein, and two, the capture interesting labels and interesting characteristics about this protein. This is quite hard, particularly for an early startup. But I think we're doing very well because we're already able to generate hundreds of proteins at a time. So not just one or two proteins. We're doing batches where we're talking hundreds multiple times, and we have multiple thousands of data points, depending how you count, but like thousands to tens of thousands of data points. So this is a quite intense because there's the kind of the whole pipeline to get from the sequence to the generation of the data of interest is long and involves a lot of different type of experts. We're talking strain engineering, talking about fermentation, we're talking about high throughput, people programming robots
how automated is this process? Because like, well, you certainly need experts in the room.
Correct. Yeah, we have a fair amount of automation with experts in basically robotics building and coming up with the building the pipeline to make all the operations you need in a very consistent and very high throughput way. All this flow, you could do it with basically people using pipettes and looking through microscopes and pipetting things. Most of this flow for us is automated, which really allows us to go hundreds of proteins at a time, if not soon thousands. So, and this really is mandatory to apply machine learning because machine learning requires high quality data. If not like a lot of more data, so that you can make up for the noise. You can buy noise with
Volume.
data size, with volume. Since we're not talking about millions, we need high quality data, so consistent, repeatable data where the environmental variable conditions are measured and consistent is very important.